for 2 steps and then back down for 2 steps. 1, 2, down, tap, and up. Down, tap, and up. With your heel up on the front foot, do some scissors here. We're just letting that lactic acid come out, so it's down and in, and you're just coming down and in, down and in. So as you come back towards the wall, bringing those knees in, trying to stay high, tap down, up, 2, 3, tap down. So if you actually want to touch your heels together, 3, push up, then down, 2, 3. So it's a push up and then in and out. So now your feet are turned out, squeeze. So now you're pushing in on your knees. 1, 2, 3, 4, tap. Push in against the knees. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Stay high. So in towards your head and back down. So we're going to pulse. So the leg is quite close to your body. Pulse up and out, down and in. So I want you to try and stay high. Touching, pulse up, pulse up. And I want you to come up. And then blow out all the air and up. Hips. Stretch for that same glute. Cheeks on the mat. And hug it in. And then because we did use up the hips as well,